Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Ipsy's Magic Hour Mystery Bag. Yay! So, this is what it came in, like so. Let me tell you guys how I got this. I was actually minding my business. I think I was just ordering whatever I want to get in my add-ons with Ipsy, and then I was scrolling and I saw Ipsy Magic Hour Mystery Bag. I'm like, a mystery? Who loves a mystery? Aisha loves a mystery bag or mystery box. So of course I got suckered in and I bought one. I had to. So that's what I'm going to be unboxing today. Alright, so it comes in this nice little pink little baggie. And then this is what the bag looks like. And on the back it says Ipsy. So I'll let you guys get a sneak peek before I get one. This is what it looks like. That's the things that's inside. And now I'll get to look for myself. So I guess with these Magic Hour mystery bags, they don't give us a card. Unfortunately, there is no card in here. So I can't tell you guys the prices. So I hate that they don't give us the card when they do these things. But I'm so sorry. But I'll just tell you guys what I got. So let's see here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a SKYLAR Hydrating Body Lotion with hyaluronic acid, sparkling citrus sweet. No parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. So this is what it looks like. So, I've never heard of the brand SKYLAR before, but I've never tried a body lotion that has hyaluronic acid in it. So I'm excited to try that because the hyaluronic acid is supposed to be very hydrating for the skin, and my skin is dry year-round, winter, spring, summer, and fall. So let's see if that helps. Let's see what this smells like, since it says that it's sparkling citrus and sweet, which is like right up my alley. I like citrus and sweet scents. So let's see if this passed the Aisha test. Alrighty, let me see if I can open this because it's hard to open things with nails. Alright, let's see here. I still have on lotion from earlier. So I hope it doesn't clash with the scent. Oh, this smells good. It smells very melony. Like, this is giving me like, you know those, the melons? Like just the regular melons? This smells like a melon. Not a watermelon, like oh, the cantaloupe. That's what I was thinking of. It smells like a cantaloupe. Very nice. I do like this. So I definitely would wear this. So far I'm happy. 1 for 1. All right, let's see what else I got in here. Coconut oil. Okay, I like some coconut oil because you know I'm dry. So the next thing I got in here is 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter leave-in conditioner to detangle and hydrate dry, damaged hair and to have softer, smoother, healthy looking hair with biotin. So that's what this looks like. Oh, this is by the brand Marc Anthony. Oh, interesting. I've never tried anything from Marc Anthony hair products, but my hair is dry, so I'm definitely going to try this because it says it helps to hydrate dry, damaged hair. So we'll see how that works. So that's not bad. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. All right, so there's something in here that I think I'm not going to like, which is this Auto Balm Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go. Normally, whenever they give an option for anything cheek in any of the mystery boxes, if we get to choose, I normally don't get the cheek stuff because it normally doesn't match my skin tone. And I just take a peek, and now this is exactly why. But let me show you what the packaging looks like first. So it looks like that, cheeks on the go. Whoop. I like that it's nice and small and tiny. You can put it like in your pocket. But this is not the cheek color for Aisha. This is giving me ash galore. So take a look at this color. This color is not going to do nothing for Aisha at all. So I'm not even going to swatch this. This is going to be going in to the next giveaway. When I do my next giveaway, hopefully this looks good on that person's skin tone because it does not look good for me. So let's put that to the side. And let's see what else I got. I got a Makiage Ink Eye Liner. The box looks like so. And let's see. I have so many liquid liners. In my next video, I'm gonna bring my bucket of eyeliners and show you guys how much liquid liners I get. Like literally, I'm telling you, I just have a bucket of them. So maybe I shouldn't open this. I was just about to open it and I'm like, wait, don't open this because I don't want them to dry out. The lifespan starts once you open it. So I'm not even going to open this. I have like 90 liquid liners currently right now. But I can never have enough. So I'm not complaining. So I still like this. So it's going to be, I like 3 out of the 4 so far. And then the next thing I got in here is Avette Water Flash Coconut Water Cream, Hydrating and Boosting. So I'm guessing this is for your face. Water cream. Yeah, I'm guessing this is for the face. It looks like so. Yeah, let me see. Does this have a seal on it? Yep, it has a seal on it. I'm not going to open this. I'm probably going to give this in a giveaway. I have so much moisturizers. So 2 things I'm going to use as a giveaway. And I'm going to keep 3 things for myself. So not bad. To be honest, was I happy about this mystery bag? Probably not, because I have a lot of lotions and a lot of liquid liners. But I can never beat a mystery bag or mystery subscription box. So I had to get it. So beggars can't be choosers. The bag. So these 3 things I'll put in the next giveaway. I already started curating another giveaway bag already, but I'll just add these to that. Speaking of that, if you guys did not see my Norvina Pro Palette honest review video, watch that because I give the details on my giveaway that I'm having. And in my last video, I actually showed everyone what's going to be inside. So take a look at those videos if you're curious and you guys still have time to join that giveaway. It actually is going to end on June 2nd, so you guys got time. All right, so that's going to conclude the end of my Ipsy unbagging. But before I close out this video, for all of my subscribers who actually watch all of my videos, guess what I got in the mail today? Another Sephora box. So if you guys watch my videos, I know the newbies here who's watching this video for the first time, you guys are probably lost. But I actually posted a video of a Sephora haul where I was not happy because I got something that was like a bag full of makeup and the Tarte spray spilled all over my products. And I was very upset. So I did reach out to Sephora. And I have to be honest, the customer service was great. The guy who answered the phone was nice. He's like, no problem. We'll send you a brand new one. Don't even worry about it, free of charge. And they even threw in 2 samples. So this is a test. Is it damaged again? Because one of my subscribers told me from watching my video, she actually purchased the same set and hers had the same problem. The Tarte spilled all over her products. So now I'm curious to see if it's spilled again. If it's spilled again, I'm not going to complain again. But I'm very curious to see if this time this Tarte spray actually has a liquid inside. So I just opened it up for time purposes, but I did not open inside the bag yet. So let's see if it's undamaged. So same thing, just got the little paper on the top. I'm going to just pull the paper out like so. So these are the 2 samples that they gave me. They gave me the Way Medium Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. And these were just extra. They didn't have to give this to me. But he just said for the inconvenience, he was just going to throw those in here. And I got a Wishful Enzyme Scrub. Okay. So let's see. This is the test. Dun, dun, dun. So this is the thing that I had ordered the first time around in my Sephora haul. It doesn't look sticky so far, but the test is going to be feeling everything and looking to see if the spray is not damaged. So let's see here. Let me open this bad boy up. All right, hopefully it checks. It doesn't look like anything is damaged this time around. I'm not going to show you guys everything that's in here because I already showed everybody in my Sephora haul. So if you guys are curious of the things in here, then check out my Sephora haul that I just posted. All right, so this is a spray. Everything in here doesn't look damaged, so I'm really happy about that. What is this? What the? Oh my God, I can never win. I can never. Oh Lord, I tell you, I cannot win. I can't win. But I'm not going to complain this time around because they're going to think I'm crazy. So this lid came off of the actual cooling water. And I don't know if it's because the lid is off of this, but it looks like it was like used. But I'm not going to complain because they're going to think I'm crazy if I call 2 times for the same thing. But I don't know if you guys can notice. No, you're probably not going to be able to notice it. Yeah. It's like smurry, like somebody touched it. You know when somebody swatches something, it looks swatched. But it may be because it was in the bag and it wasn't closed. Who will never know, but I have another one of these from the other bag, so, but actually I'm giving that as a giveaway, so I put that in as a part of my giveaway because I knew I was getting an extra one, so I'll just spray it with alcohol and sanitize it and use this one. But how funny, can Aisha catch a break with these? All right, but the spray, it's all here. The spray is all here. Let's try this spray out, even though I'm about to go to bed, but I'm gonna spray my skin anyway. I'm like, dang, man. But hopefully no one swatched it, and it's just because it was open that it has like those marks on it. But this concludes the end of Aisha's video. I miss you guys. I'm going to miss you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for everyone who's been subscribing to my YouTube channel. You guys have been great. Like I said before in my last video, like I love all my subscribers, especially the ones who always leave me a comment, they always leave me a like, they follow my Instagram. Like you guys are ride or die. Like I literally only been on YouTube for 2 months, and you guys are like, we're like an army, like we're like a squad. Love you guys, love you guys. I appreciate the support. I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. Bye!